Hi, for this question over here, we will need to make use of the line command and the use of Cartesian coordinates to complete this particular problem, right? So what happens is that in dimensioning, sometimes a given dimension may not be given, and you have to make a mathematical deduction on what the value is. Okay, and for simplicity's sake, I have written here that the value for the distance from this point to this point here is 33. Now let's start. The starting point is 80, 100, right? So I'm putting it up here, and let's see if I can put this as, yeah, okay. So I start with the line command, and the start point is 80, 100. Right, so the minute you put the comma, it goes to the y coordinate, and you can start off from that. Let me change this to the outline context. Let's redo that again. It's 80, 100. Line command 80, 100. Then I click enter, and that's the first starting point. Okay, the picture then goes up by 20 vertically, and then goes right by 15. Okay, so it goes up by 20. Zoom in, and it goes in here by 15. Enter. And then it goes up again by 33. Right? Now at this point in time, it slopes down, and we do not know what's the final dimension here, but it's given 35 and 53. And if you were to use the absolute Cartesian coordinate, you actually have to do some math and have it will be 135 in the y direction, and in the x direction, sorry, in the y direction it's 153, and the x direction is 115. Okay, so you need to key in those values to get this final point here if you are using the absolute Cartesian coordinate. But for me, I can choose to go from the other way around, and it goes by 60, 9, 15, 17, 15 again, 9, and then back to this distance. Okay, so it's 69 and 15. So let's see. Press escape, and I start my line command again, and it's 60, right? And it goes up by 9. Enter. And it goes in by 15. Enter. And this part here goes up by 17, 15, and 9. So it's 17, right? So what I do is that I move my mouse to align to the vertical, and then you have an auto tracking, the green dotted line, and that helps you align it to the 90-degree mark. Okay, and you can be rest assured that it is perpendicular, and this is 15. And again, it goes up to 9. And then it goes backward. But this distance is not known, so I have to go back to my paintbrush. And you can see that the distance from here to here is not given. So you need to make a deduction that actually it is 60, which is this distance here, minus 35, which gives you 25. Okay. Then what I'll do is that it's 25. Enter. And then you can just snap back to here, the green dot. Right, press escape to get out of the command, and this is one of the diagrams that you completed using the absolute Cartesian coordinates to complete it. Right, so the knowledge of using the absolute Cartesian coordinates, you just enter the x value, you press comma, then you enter the y value, then you enter. Okay, thank you.